AI Business and Graph Mystery System course. Welcome to the AI Business and Graph Mystery System course, a powerful training designed to teach you how to use AI tools to create stunning design, grow your brand, and make money online. What you will learn inside this course, you will learn how to create a viral YouTube template, how to design a flyer with AI, how to write a hard copies that attract customer, how to create social media content instantly, how to build and sell data products using AI, how to save thousands of naira monthly. It is beginner friendly, no laptop, no problem, no design experience, still okay. This course is beginner friendly and works perfectly on smartphone. These are design created with AI. These are the design I created with the AI. I just gave the AI prompt and also the details I want to see. You can see perfect. So as a business owner, this is an opportunity for you to learn how you can make use of your smartphone and AI to create flyer for your business or cash for your business. Maybe you want to do a discounts promo. You can use AI to create, just upload the items needed, and they ask it to create a flyer for you. And also you have access to prompts. In this course, you're going to have access to 100 plus prompts to design any 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 flyer or template or other capture. So you can see the design. All this design was done with AI and my smartphone. You can see very perfect. So you can see created with AI prompt and creativity. So why you need this course? Most business owners spend thousands of naira every month paying designer, but with this course you can create high quality design yourself anytime you want. So bonus you will get, first you're going to get 100 plus powerful a prompt. You have AI prompt, ready to use design ideas, bonus training videos, content creation secret, marketing strategy, and business growth tips. These are what you are going to get, what you can use this skill for. After learning these skills, you can start your own graph business, create a content for brands and business, design flyers for church events and companies, build and sell data products, grow your social media and brand faster. AI is changing the world fast. People who learn AI now will have more opportunities online. Don't be left behind. So join the AI Business Graph Mystery System course today. Learn how to create a powerful design with AI like a professional. Send me a message now if you're interested in getting the AI Business and Graph Mystery System course. Send a message to this number or click the link in the description below to get this course, the AI Business and Graph Mystery System course. In this course, you will learn everything on how you can make use of your smartphone to create flyer templates. You don't need to spend a lot of money on any designer. You can create it with just your smartphone in the space of 2 to 5 minutes. Very simple and very easy. So AI Business Graph Mystery System course, create and grow and earn. So if you want to get started, send message to the number you are seeing on the screen or click the link in the description below, because I'm going to drop the link to get access to the course. And after paying, you are going to get access to the training instantly. So that is it. So now this is an opportunity for you to get a new skills that can generate a lot of money, and also you can render your services. You can create a design for church, for event, for anybody, and also you can make use of it to create a flyer for your own personal business. So make sure so click the link in the description below to get details about the course. I'm going to drop the link in the description below, and also I'm going to drop the link in the first comment section so you can get access and get details about the course.